Hello everyone! We created a third-person character previous video. Now we will add new animations to our character. Today we will make a combo system by using Mixamo. I will share this project on my GitHub profile. It may be difficult to implement it because of the animation details, but I believe you will learn lots of things about creating combo system by watching this video. You should exactly download same animations with me and set them exactly same with me. You won't face any problem about coding section, but implementing animations and setting them may be difficult. It is why I am sharing this project on GitHub. Please watch carefully and ask any question in comments. I will appreciate it if you subscribe my channel. I told how you can download character on Mixamo and how you can use it with Unity third-person controller easily. Please watch this video and try to add this Paladin character to your game with same techniques. Download character animations like I show. I will write animation names to description and I will also share GitHub link of this project with you. Okay, now drag and drop downloaded animations to project. Now we will set materials, animations, and rig like I show. I will open new folder and rename it as animations. Then I will duplicate all animations with Ctrl-D and put all animations in this file. I am doing this because when animations downloaded, they are read-only as default. It means we can't do any modification on them. We will need to use animation events on these animations, so if they stay as read-only, we can't use animation events. We will add equip and unequip animations, so we will need second sword appearance on shoulder. I will disable the sword on T-pose and I will create a second sword on shoulder. Duplicate the character and make same things with me for having a sword on shoulder. We have two sword now. Like you see, we can move it like we want. And I will place it exactly right position on character's shoulder. I tried positioning it before recording this video, so I won't pretend like I am doing this first time and directly will write right positions. It seems okay, and it is behaving right when character moves. I found the right position on character's shoulder by playing equipping animation like this. We will change default idle animation with sword idle animation, which we downloaded from Mixamo. Double-click idle walk run, blend tree, and change idle motion with our sword idle animation. Now we have better idle animation for combat mechanics, and our character seems ready to fight. Open Animator, then open Parameters. Add new parameter as trigger and name it Equip. Now add two transitions. Click first transition and add Equip trigger to conditions. Now we set exit times, transition durations like this. Create new folder and rename it as scripts. Create new script and name it player controller. I will add this script to our player. Then open our new script. Firstly, I create third-person controller parameter. I can get reference animator from third-person controller script in Unity starter asset, so I can use animator parameters. Then I create parameters for equip-unequip method. I create a new method and name it equip. I will use it for equip and unequip sword. It make equipping boolean true and it will trigger equip parameter. I create a new method and will name it active weapon. It will be used in animator events and it simply make active or inactive our swords by status of equipping and unequipping. Last method I create will set boolean false when equipping animation is completed. It will be used in animation events too. Now I will call equip method in update. Set references on player controller script. Open equip animation and add animation event. Select active weapon method like this. Then add another animation event and select equipped method. Let's try if equip animation is working. Yes, it seems perfect, I think. But there is a problem, like you see. Our character moves without equipping animation is completed. We will solve this problem. Open third-person controller script. Set player controller parameter and set reference with game object getOmponent in awake. Then write if statement into move method. Move method will return if equipping animation isn't completed by the help of this if statement. Our character won't be able to move anymore without completing equipping animation. I will accelerate equip animation for seeming it better. Open equipping animation and set its speed as 1.8. It seems better now, I think. You can change this speed if you want. I noticed I forgot to download blocking animation from Mixamo. Download this animation too and make necessary settings as others. Open Animator, drag block animation to Animator. Create a new Boolean parameter and name it as block. Then set transition duration, conditions, and exit time parameters like this. Open player controller script. Let's write block method and its parameters. Call this method in update 2. Let's try if it is working now. It seems good. Maybe we can change block animation's transform rotation offset, so blocking animation will make a more vertical movement relative to the character's position. Now we will add kick animation. Open animator, add new Boolean parameter and name it kick. Then set conditions, transition durations, and exit times like this. Open again player controller script. Add new method for playing kicking animation. Let's review animation settings for having better mechanics. Okay, it seems good, I think. Open animator and add 3 trigger parameters. Set exit times and transition durations. We need to set animation speeds like this. Open player controller script. Write new method and name it as attack. It will simply call attack animations relatively time since last attack. We need to add animation events to reset attacking Boolean. We need to make some changes about animations. Please make settings like this. I realized I wrongly selected as exit time of third attack. It should be inactive. It is important to prevent moving our character without completing attacking animation. I made a little bug fixing by keying all commands we create. I realized there was a problem about becoming attacking Boolean false. I fixed it by setting some transition durations and by adding new animation events with reset attack method. To add new animation events, we need to duplicate Reddenly animations in Unity starter asset like we made before. Then we need to change motions in idle walk run blend. To prevent characters jumping while blocking or attacking or kicking, we need to change some codes in starter as set inputs. I will share this project on my GitHub profile. If you face any problem, you can ask it on comments. Please subscribe my channel if you want to see new videos about Unity. Thanks for watching.